You did a great research. You now have a promising biomaterial that, according to your experimental results, could solve a medical need. What's next then? Well, we first need to keep in mind that it is mandatory to make sure that this new biomaterial, or developed strategy, must be safe to be applied in humans. But how do we jump from lab bench experiments to their actual use or application in the clinic? Depending on the nature of the methodology used in the initial research proposal, you will need to design a new set of experiments to provide further information on their suitability to be evaluated in the next level of biological complexity. And how to know what levels are these, and what kind of tests would our biomaterial have to pass? Here, it is where we acknowledge the need that people doing research on materials and devices for medicine become familiar with the regulatory processes and guidelines issued by government health organizations. Sign up and join us for the Bio and Nanomaterials in Medicine Conference and Workshop to learn more about how we can expedite clinical translation of biomaterials.